Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bead in a KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door bean. This door bean is located on the fresh food door closer to the top. It's larger than the bottom one. The bean allows for additional storage space. The main reason to replace the door bean is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the door bean, we need to push it up out of the frame. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And to install the door bean, we're just going to bring it on the top of the frame and drop it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.